आज मैं डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ CI/CD पाइपलाइन की। तो CI/CD पाइपलाइन कैसे काम करती है, क्या होती है? तो मैं ज़्यादा डीप में नहीं जाऊँगा, जस्ट बेसिक प्रोसेस बताऊँगा, हाउ इट विल वर्क and what is the CI/CD pipeline. So CI/CD pipeline is an automated process that help build, test and deployment code whenever a developer makes changes. CI means continuous integration, CD means continuous delivery और continuous deployment. So CI/CD के जो हाई लेवल पाइपलाइन स्टेजेस होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? पहला होता है फर्स्ट होता है कमिट, कोड कमिट, कोड कमिट। फिर नेक्स्ट स्टेज जो होती है वो होती है बिल्ड। बिल्ड के बाद में जो अगली स्टेज आती है वो होती है टेस्ट बिल्ड। मीन्स यहाँ पर टेस्टिंग टीम will start that test script and they will deploy in the SIT environment. Once SIT environment, all regression, retesting, or sanity testing, all those test cases got passed, then it will be go to the pre-release or deployment. Deployment. So this is the basic stages which we have in CI/CD pipeline. So CI/CD pipeline like source code or that commit developer push that code to Git and a pipeline will trigger automatically. So once it will be trigger the automatically, then build stage means it those code will compiler and then that create executed or that package like jar var docker images. Then it will be go to the test stage. So test stage means it will be run automated test cases, unit test cases or integration test cases, regression test cases. Then it will be check that quality of that code analysis, like check that code quality, security, and it will be finding that bugs or vulnerabilities. If all are okay, then it will be go to the artifacts stage, means like a package storage build output create version artifacts, then it will be go to the deployment package. So deployment stage means like here it will be check deployment that application to the dev environment, QA environment, UAT environment, and production environment. So whatever they like different companies having different process they are following. So generally, like if I will give the best example, developer will commit that code uh, and it they will push to the like pipeline like Jenkins pipeline or any Microsoft DevOps Azure whatever they are using, so they will push their code in that Jenkins pipeline, then they will start that code build with the Maven. Once that will be the complete, then it will be go to the automated test run, then it will be deploy in the their environment. So this is the four basic stages which we have in a CI/CD pipeline. So let me explain some more examples. So like we have some basic steps like what it will be deploy in the code. So I'm going to be covered like some real-time scenario, like what will be the deploy in the dev environment and how it will be work. So so in the uh, dev environment, they will deploy their build, deploy their build, then they will record the deployment, records deployment. They will record that deployment. Then they will record that records that matrix. If these things will pass, then it will be go to the next stage. So next stage means like it will be SIT environment. So whenever in SIT environment, like after finishing this deployment, it will be go to the this stage. So in SIT environment or whatever environment they are using. So here like pre-test it will be pre-test check. Then it will be checked like record deployment, records deployments. So it will be checked that record deployment. Then it will be checked at security vulnerability. It will verify. So verify security vulnerability. Then it will be fetch that build info. It will fetch. Then it will be checked that all the regression test cases should pass. Regression test cases should pass. If anything is got failed, then it will not go to the next stage. Then it will be checked that pre-integration process. Integration checks. So it will check all the integration. Then it will be again it will record that matrix. Then it will be go for the next stage. So next stage is called pre-release. This one is called pre-release. So in this pre-release, it we need some approvals for pre-release approval. Who will give that approval? Our DevOps team, test manager, QA manager, who have that access. So those people can approve that your build or pipeline. Then you can run that your script, and it automatically it will move to the next stage. So in pre-release, after approval, it will be checked that release related things. So pre-release, it will check all those things like mm, whatever configuration, version, and what deployment, what create changes request, and it will be record those details. And next stage is it will be go here. So this we call that release. Again, I'm saying like a different company having different stages. They configuring the pipeline, and they are following those process. So in release stage, we have release approval again, release approval. After approved, it will be go for the verify review. Then it will be checked that all the weights and CSS approvals, artifacts, whatever they're using, that artifacts information that are available. Then it will be checked that release status. Then it will be checked that any work items or release items which there were changes there. Then next stage, final stage with the release in the production. So here it will be go to the production release. So production release means like again it will be checked at pre-production checks. Then it will be deployed there. Deployed in prod environment, and this one it will be record that status. So every stage, like who having that access of that pipeline, they will get that notification who started that build. If it automatically started, also they will notify there. And manually they can run after approved. Again, they can start like if any test cases got failed, so they can rerun that test cases in this stage, test stage. So this is basic concept of like a CI/CD pipeline. Hope you got clarity on this all stages and how build will work in the real time world. So thank you so much for watching my video.